Hi everyone, just wanted to do a quick video on uploading your screen casts into YouTube, or possibly a video that you've done into YouTube using your phone. Lots of us are wanting to share video with our students, and a screencast or a video from your phone are all dealt with the same way in YouTube. Essentially, it allows our students, though, to view these videos much easier than if they were put into Google Drive. So I'm starting off in Google Drive. If you have your file, that's the critical part, that you've saved. So it could be on your desktop. When I click here, maybe the file is here on my desktop already, or it's in Google Drive. Either way, you can then put that file into YouTube. So let me do this. We're gonna, we're gonna jump into YouTube here. Now, the critical part too is that we sign into YouTube using our central Google account. So you see I have my personal and my central. I'm going to go in and click on the central, make sure I put in my password. Now, once in YouTube here, at the very top, you'll see this little camera, create a video and more. So simply clicking, you can either go live or upload a video. That's what we're doing today, upload a video. And the YouTube upload is essentially tell me where the file is and I'll put it into YouTube for you. So when I go to select file, I have the Staying Sharp video that is on my PC. But look over here, I also have the Google Drive option. And so if I sort by size here, I got this video playback I could also put in that's already in my Google Drive. So if it's not even on your computer per se, but you put it into Drive, you have either option. I'm going to go back to the desktop and simply say, actually it was in downloads, I think. Here it is, Staying Sharp. And so I'm going to go open. Now there are a couple critical parts here. This title is the name that will show up on YouTube for your kids to see. And then there's a full description, so I'll maybe put how to stay sharp and active while at home. This is a video put out by our support services. Now the critical piece here, you'll see on the bottom it's uploading, but you'll want to go to, if you have a playlist, you can select it there, but you'll want to say, yes, this is made for kids, because if not, they won't be able to view your video. And so once you say made for kids, you can wait for it to upload, or you can go to next. We're not going to add any video elements here. This is generally for folks who are using a public channel. Now you have two options here, public or unlisted. Public means that it will go live on your channel and that anyone who would go to your channel could see this video. Unlisted simply means that it will go on your channel, but that the link, which you can get from right here, the link will be the only way folks can find it. So without a link, you could not get to the video. So if you want to keep it managed just to kids in your class, then go unlisted. You can copy the link here. And when you hit save, that link is now live as soon as this thing is over. So if you want to jump over to Parent Square and paste in that link, they're ready to view it as soon as this is fully uploaded. So that's the best way to share videos, either screencasts or videos that you've taken with your phone, to your kids.